Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda CRV cabin air filter easy guide. Begin by gathering a compatible cabin air filter and a screwdriver, then park safely and turn off the car. Open the glove box and clear its contents so you have room to work. Have a soft container for screws and a flashlight handy. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along confidently and avoid common mistakes. With the glove box empty, reach for the dampening arm on the right and gently unclip it to free the glove box movement. Squeeze the sides of the glove box inward to clear the stops and lower the box completely so you can see the filter cover. Remove any visible screws or fasteners holding the filter housing cover in place. Keep fasteners in a small tray so they don't get lost while you work. Once the housing is open, grasp the old filter and pull it out slowly to minimize dust release. Inspect the cavity for leaves or debris and wipe it with a clean, dry cloth so the new filter seats properly. Align the new cabin air filter with the airflow arrow pointing toward the cabin and slide it into place. Replace the housing cover, secure any screws, reattach the glove box stops, and test the glove box closure to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.